today's video ay mag-unboxing kami ng aming Christmas gift from our church mate. Yay! Are you excited? Yes! Yes, so, first, here, ito yung mga gifts. Hey! Ito. Oh, get one. We will do unboxing. Get one. We will open. Hindi! Get one. Get one gift. Get one gift now. Faster. Yeah, take it. Yay! We will open this one. Thank you so much. Hindi namin... Hi!
Mom, this is for me.
We will uncut lang. Go back there! We're not yet finished.
This is for me.
Wait, ang kulit.
Mom, this is
We will open this one. This one first. This one, thank you. Hindi namin alam kanino to. Thank you so much. Ah! It's a toy!
This is mine.
Wow! It's so cute.
This is mine.
Yeah? What will you say?
Thank you, mommy.
No. Thank you so much. Yay! So next one. We will put it here down. And get one. Get one. This one. Ay! OMG, thank you. May ano dito. Inopen ko na to kasi kanina eh. So, to Sophia Grace, happy holidays from Baguio family. Thank you so much. Ano sasabihin mo? Say, thank you so much. Ay, ang super cute. God bless. Thank you. Oh, may laman. Ay, char lang. Wala pala. Ano to? Sophia, may pangalan pa talaga. Thank you. What else? The next one, this one?
No.
Oh, wow. This is super cute. Towel.
Open this one.
Ay, we will open that one. This is towel. Thank you. Here, you open. Show it to them. Show it to them. This one is from Tita Marcel and family. Marshall and family. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. You open na. My love letter. To Sophia
you
Grace,
said
that is Merry Christmas. Christmas is not... Wait, we will read it. Christmas is not about opening our present. It is about opening our heart to Jesus. Jesus is the person for the season. Amen. Isaiah 9, verse 6. God bless you. Love Ate Maria and Kuya Charles. Talaga ba naman ikaw? What else? Ay!
Dinosaur.
Okay.
Dinosaur,
open it.
Mommy.
What
Open
is that?
My dinosaur.
What is that?
Dinosaur.
The dinosaur. That is from... Where is the tag, baby?
Yes.
Wow. Excited ang baby ko.
Mommy, dinosaur.
Yeah, you open it, the dinosaur. Show it to them. Yay! Yo. Get another gift. Later, this one again. Get another gift. We will open it.
A dinosaur.
The
I go
dinosaur.
inside.
We will open?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will open it. Ay, sorry. How to open, baby? I don't know how to open this. Here. Yeah. Ay. Pati ba naman ako? Hindi ako marunong. OMG. Here. Oh, it's a puzzle. You like this?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ate Maria and Kuya Charles. Thank you very much. And get another one. Later, this one.
That's mine.
Yeah. Where's the box? We will do puzzle later, okay?
No, it's mine.
Yeah, but get another gift. Here. Ako na lang para mas madali siya. This one is from
Mommy, this is
Busalba family. Thank you.
Mommy, dinosaur. It's dying. Dinosaur. It's dark. Mommy, you built.
Not my dark.
Mama, what you? You built it?
Okay. This one is... Oh, wow, baby! It's so cute! I think this is for mommy. Wow, thank you.
Ta-da!
This is for mommy.
Ta-da!
Oh, this is for me, baby. This is big. Oh, wait lang! Excited yung isa. Nag-open na ng isang gift. So, this one is from Tita Ate Gloria Anarda. Wow, thank you so much. Here. Oh, ito. Alright. Kuya, excuse me. Thank you. You play there. This one,
This is my blocks.
Bubble World. And ito. And this one. Thank you. And more. We will open this one off. This one is from, I don't know, but thank you so much. Ito ay isang,
Mommy, you open it.
no, later. Damit. Oh, you're so pretty. What color?
This is pink.
What?
Pink.
This is purple. This is from Max. Wow, thank you so much. It's so perfect for sa
Mommy, you
winter
open
ngayon.
the bubbles.
Wow.
You open the bubbles.
What else? Here, later the bubbles. Excited na siya mag-open ng bubbles. This one is, hindi, wala din pangalan, but thank you.
Mommy, you open it.
Thank you so much. Oh! Parang ako yung na-excite. It's so
Mommy,
cute!
you open it.
Yeah. We will try it in your hair. One.
No.
Oh! Mamaya, pag ano.
Mamaya.
It's so pretty. Thank you so much po. Thank you, thank you. Wow, cute naman. Sobrang cute. Saan ka? So, this one next. This is from, who's this? From
No.
Makadinden family. Thank you so much. Makadinden family. This one, oh. So cute. So pretty. This is so perfect sa kanya. Salamat. God bless you po sa mga nagbigay. Wow. Boy, this is, wait. Love, wait lang. Anak, wait. Just wait, okay?
No.
Sinira mo na, wait. This one is from Bless Christmas and Happy New Year. Love, Z and Zach Condado. Thank you. Wow, ang cute naman ang bag. It's super cutie. Ang cute. This one, babe, oh.
No.
Hi!
No.
Inopen mo na talaga. Ito, salamat po. This is so pretty. Thank you. And then,
Open my
Ang gulo.
bubbles.
Tita Glo, inopen na niya kasi kanina. Ay, cute!
You.
Wow, so perfect naman. Pair. Thank you. What will you say, baby?
Mommy, come this way.
Say, thank you sa... You say thank you. Wow, naman. Thank you so much. Ang sexy. Then, there's more for mommy. Ang cutie. Yes, thank you.
Mommy.
Alam mo yung ngayon, parang this year, ang daming blessings. Salamat. Then, oh, wait, we will see who's giving this one.
Mommy.
Oh, from Brizo family. Thank you.
That's mine.
Yeah, sure, this is yours. Wait, you open it. Say thank you, Brizo family. Wow! What is that?
Yes.
It's a dress. Wow!
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. Ang cute. Pero ako ang nag-enjoy unboxing ha. Ako yung nag-enjoy dito. Oh, next na, you get na. Oh, wow! You show it to them. Show it to them. Show it the tumbler. Say, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Oh. Then here, this one. This is from Pastora Sheena and Kuya Manny. Wow, what is that? You open that one. You open it now. Ang kalat.
I'll help you, Bobby. Don't worry. I'll get out.
Yeah. I'll get out. I'll get out.
Mommy, oh, you open it.
I thought you will help mommy to open it. Thank you, Pastor Sheena. Thank you so much. Wait lang, baby love. Wait. Oh, this is set. Wow! You have your own ano na.
Mommy,
For your
wait.
food. Yeah.
Mommy, wait.
Have more. This one, oh. Here. Here, habibi.
And cup.
There's more. There are 3. Inopen ko na tong kay, ano, Tita Robbie Grace. Hello!
This is mine.
Ate Robbie, thank you so much. Babe, there's more. Here. Nag-enjoy na ko sa kay Pastor Sheena na ano, yung plate. Thank you. Oh my God, this is so perfect to her. Finit ko na siya kanina. So perfect talaga. Thank you. And then there's more from Ate Maricel
No, mine.
Miras. Thank you so much.
Cup.
Excited ako kanina eh. Inopen ko to eh.
Wow.
Hey! Oh, another tumbler. We have 2 tumblers na. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wala na. Nagkagulo na. Nagkagulo na silang dalawa. Ito kay Kuya Z at kay Baby Z, Zane and Sam. What is this?
Mine. Oh, it's there.
What is that, Kuya? We will open it.
Mommy, what is it?
Ouch!
Mommy, what is it?
Yes! You have princess set here.
Ooh, this is fruit princess.
Huh?
Fruit princess.
Yeah. Say thank you, Pastor Rashina. Say thank you.
This is free.
You say thank you to Pastora na. Yeah, thank you so much, Pastor Rashina. Say thank you na. I cannot open. Tagalan ako. Tagalan na ako.
Wait.
Ah, this is so OMG.
Mommy,
No, this is so cute.
wait.
You try this.
No. Wait.
Ah, nag-enjoy talaga siya sa plate. Ala, it's so pretty. So, thank you so much. Sunday, pasuot ko to sa kanya. Thank you. Then, this one, the last one. This one is, I don't know from where. But, wow, amazing. Babe!
Mommy,
Guess what is this inside? It's a
ball.
ball!
Ball. You open it, you ball.
Yeah, and I have one more. Thank you so much. Kung sino man nagbigay nito, thank you so much. And oh, wow. So, wow.
Mommy, open you.
This is so cute.
Mommy, you open.
Ang cute naman.
No.
Ay,
You open it.
ang cute talaga. Super. Thank you so much. Mommy, you open it. May bago naman siyang ano na gustuhan.
Mommy, this is spiky ball.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you so much. God bless us you all po sa mga nagbigay. Thank you, thank you.